To make your Instagram account private, follow these steps. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account. Tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Select Settings from the menu. Then tap Account. Scroll down to the Privacy section and tap on it. Look for the Private Account option and toggle the switch to the right to enable it. When you make your account private, only approved followers can see your posts and stories. To approve or deny follower requests, go to the Profile tab. Then tap the Followers option. You will see a list of pending follower requests, and you can choose to approve or deny them. Making your Instagram account private is a good way to control who sees your content and helps to maintain your online privacy. It is especially useful for individuals who want to keep their personal life separate from their public life. By following these steps, you can easily make your Instagram account private and take control of your online presence. Remember to regularly review your follower list and adjust your privacy settings as needed to ensure your account remains private and secure. It is also important to note that even with a private account, your profile information, such as your username and profile picture, will still be visible to the public. However, your posts and stories will only be visible to approved followers. Overall, making your Instagram account private is a simple process that can help you maintain your online privacy and security. By following these steps and being mindful of your online presence, you can enjoy using Instagram while keeping your personal life private.